Boys and girls, find your nonfiction text features page. We're going to use our newspaper today to do some more work with those nonfiction text features. So listen carefully and follow along with your newspaper. Number 1 says a headline, see this is a keyword, that's a nonfiction text feature, is big and bold. It is usually at the top of the page. What is the headline on page 2? All right, so in your newspaper, turn to page 2, and when Mrs. Miller was reading to you, she pointed out what the headline was. Usually at the top, big and bold, and it's going to tell you what you're going to learn about. So the headline on page 2 is Seeing Through Smoke. And that lets you know what you're going to read here is all about, seeing through smoke. So write those words. You can use your newspaper there to write the headline, Seeing Through. And as you're writing and looking, you should notice that all of the letters begin with a capital letter. It's kind of like a title, a headline. So Seeing is a capital S, Through is a capital T, and Smoke is a capital S. So a title or a headline starts with capital letters as well. All right, if you need more time, you can press pause and finish. I'm going to turn the lights back on. They went to sleep. There we go. All right, number 2. A caption is on or near a photo. It gives facts about a photo. What does the caption at the bottom of page 2 say? Hint, it is white. All right, so a caption, this word right here, this is our nonfiction text feature. It's always by a picture, and it's going to give information about the picture. So on the bottom of page 2, here's our picture. It gave us a hint. The caption is white. So the caption is the words that tell about the picture. So these words say, this is the camera screen. So the caption at the bottom of page 2 says, this is the camera screen. All right, you can use your newspaper, find those words, write that down. Press pause if you need more time, otherwise continue on. Number 3, a sidebar is usually on the side of the page. It tells more about the article. Look at the sidebar on page 3. What are 2 things that the camera shows? All right, so sidebar is another nonfiction text feature. Here is the sidebar giving more information, and it wants to know 2 things that the camera shows. So we can write pets. So in this picture, it's a cat, but the sidebar tells us it shows where pets are. Now firefighters can save them. So this is showing the picture of a cat, but the camera in general can find where pets are. And then the other one is footprints. Also, we could have added it shows where the fire is. So the fire just shows up with the camera. We can show that too. Okay. All right, number 4, last one. A byline is at the end of an article. It shows the name of the writer. What is the byline at the bottom of page 2? So byline is your nonfiction text feature. You can find it not on every newspaper, but if there's an article written by a person. So here at the end is the name of the person that wrote this article. So we have to write her name, Carrie Acer. That's her name. So that's known as a byline. So there are many, many nonfiction text features you'll be learning about this year. Here are just a few of them: headline, caption, sidebar, and byline. And all of the nonfiction text features are important to our reading because they all give us more information about what it is we're learning about. So it's important to know those nonfiction text features. Good job.